Some snow out in the hill country. A lot of people still talking about it.
And so many of our viewers sending us photos today. We always appreciate that. Let's take a look at a couple of them. We posted a lot of these pictures online at KXAN.com. Just scroll down on our front page and you'll see the link to our season's first snow gallery. John Wilson sending us this picture while the snow was still falling out in Burnett before dawn this morning. Look at that snow cover on the ground there. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the links to more pictures. Look at this. It's the Cottle family kids making a serious-sized snowman there in Burnett.
And proud of that one.
Right? Beth Ryan shared this picture of us with us, her dog Lizzie playing in the snow. Again, if you have photos, we'd like to see them. Send them to us at reportit@KXAN.com. Well, we still have some precipitation falling out there right now. It is mostly liquid. I say mostly. You see that little patch of yellow right there in the latest image. This is a loop, by the way, since 11 o'clock this morning. That's when the snow had ended and it was mainly light rain. But when it's cold aloft like it is right now and we see these patches of yellow and red coming in with this light rain, that's very often sleet. And so I've seen one sleet report up around 183 and I-35 in the last 30 minutes. So you folks up there in the Williamson County area, even in North Austin, a couple little spots of yellow back here to West Austin toward Dripping Springs, you may have a couple of sleet pellets this afternoon. Fortunately, it's so warm, it's not going to stick on the ground. It'll melt away pretty quickly, but I bet that is just a little bit of sleet there. And then more light rain falling out in the hill country, but the snowfall is over with. But wasn't it nice? You're not going to believe this. There has been more snow in Fredericksburg, in Mason County, in Richland Springs, down in Kerrville, than has fallen in Chicago this winter. Chicago's had less than an inch. We had a report north of Fredericksburg of 2 inches of snowfall. That was the highest snowfall total in the area. Generally, snowfall totals run the range of about 1/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches. But still, any snowfall in our area is fairly rare, maybe once or twice a winter. Out there right now, temperatures above freezing, so most of the snow that fell this morning has been melting away this afternoon. Burnett at 40 degrees right now, 41 up in Georgetown, 44 degrees over in Bastrop. There's another look at the radar. I wanted to show you the downtown camera perspective here in Austin. Let's take that view. There it is. You can see the cloudy skies. We still have light rain falling in the city right now. So it is a cold rain, that's for sure. It's 41, but it's not freezing cold. Had our temperatures been, you know, at 27, 28, 29 degrees early this morning, this would have been an ice storm in the Austin area, and this city would be shut down today. But we didn't have that kind of cold air in place this go-round, thank goodness. 42 degrees out at ABIA. We have light rain continuing to fall. The winds are 5 miles per hour at the airport. No wind at Camp Mabry. Sunset is at 5:45 tonight. We had a high level of mold again today, but half as many as yesterday. And Cedar, 19, remaining in the low category. That's good. The water vapor image showing that low very nicely, only slowly moving out of West Texas. That's why we continue to have this upper level instability, creating the light rain mainly, and some patches of sleet with this cold air aloft that will be spreading across the state. So what happens from here forward? Well, our computer model still has some mainly light rain in the area at 11 o'clock tonight. And then look at this, even tomorrow, as this low begins to lift across the state, one last little wave of energy could generate a few light rain showers in our eastern counties. This is noon tomorrow, mainly down in Fayette County, back toward Caldwell County, not so much in Austin. I think it's over with by that point in Austin. And then a slow clearing. We may see some sunshine tomorrow afternoon, and then I think Sunday is going to be a real pretty day around here. Let's talk temperatures around Texas right now. Some snow cover on the ground back out toward El Paso, 33 degrees. They had to shut down I-10 last night in West Texas because of the blizzard and some car wrecks out there. 48 degrees up in the Dallas area currently. Our lows tonight, now some of the cold pockets will fall to freezing. And you know what? You folks could have a little icing on bridges with this leftover moisture if your temperature gets down around freezing, maybe even a little freezing fog in the hill country in the morning. That will not happen in the Austin area as we stay above freezing. Same you folks off to the east. And then these are the highs tomorrow. Not bad. We're back up into the 50s tomorrow. We may get back to 60 on Sunday. So tonight, mainly liquid, but a few sleet pellets are possible. 37 degrees the low in Austin. In the morning, we're overcast, and then I suspect we'll start to see the clouds break up as we go through the day tomorrow and end up at about 54 degrees. And on the 7-day forecast, all in all, it's looking like a pretty good weekend. The mornings are going to stay cold. The afternoons, relatively mild. We have a good chance of more rain, maybe some thunderstorms in here, it looks like next Tuesday, likely ending by Wednesday morning, followed by some mild weather. Leslie?